My name's Lian and I am here today to talk to you about zine making. This is session number 2. Last week we learned how to make an 8-page zine out of one piece of paper. Today we are going to make an 18-page zine out of one piece of paper. And if you've missed it, zine making is a way for anybody, mostly teenagers, to share their ideas with anybody else and their art with anybody else. Okay, the 18 page is a little trickier than the 8-page, but I think you can do it. What you need to make an 18-page zine out of one piece of paper is one piece of paper and a pair of scissors. The first thing you do is fold it in half long ways. Then open it up and then fold it in half long ways again into the middle on both sides. Then open it all up again and fold it in half like a card. Open it up, fold it into the middle. So what you're doing is making a whole lot of little squares. It's going to look like that once it's open. You can see you've got that grid shape. The next bit is you're going to cut to make a zigzag shape. So here, here, and here. Not the whole way, just 3 out of 4 of them. I'll show you, it makes more sense once you see it. So we're going to cut just on that fold line all the way up to there. Then we're going to turn it around, cut from the opposite side all the way up to there, and then turn it around and cut all the way up to there. So you've got a zigzag effect. Then that folding is the fun bit. So we're going to fold that way, that way, that way. And then we've got to an intersection, so we're going to fold that way. And then that way. I know it looks complicated, it's fun. Just try different things and see what works. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way, and then that way, that way, and that way. And then you've got your tiny book with 18 pages. Now you were asking yourself, I've made this beautiful zine, I've put all my feelings into it, what do I do next? Well, next you get it photocopied. That used to be hard, now it's easy. You can go to Officeworks and they will print it out for you. It is 8 cents per page for an A4 black and white and 65 cents per page for a color. So keep that in mind. That Officeworks is not going to let you put in a piece of paper that's already been cut up or folded. So what you need to do is, to make the 18-page, you draw up a grid with a ruler and a pencil, number the pages, and then decorate it. So if I unfold my little zine about animals, looks like that. This other zine, this is the 8-page, it looks like that. So we put all that together and then we took it back, we folded it, we cut it, we did the origami, we did the colouring in, we made about 100 of them. So that is the 18-page teeny tiny zine. If you want to make it bigger, you can start with an A3 piece of paper. Next week we are going to talk about making origami zines. And we're going to talk about sharing your beautiful finished product with the world.